Who's this?
Hey, hey,
Hey,
Big
hey,
time.
hey.
big
A special
time.
treat for is John White.
I am stunned.
You know how to talk.
It's an incredible feeling to be a part of something that's transformative. Mr. Ashmapar, your family, thank you. Those technical wizards in Hyderabad. And I want you guys to look around. Look at all the beautiful signs that we have. We have a man, Bill Musk, who is responsible for this. See, when you have a building, a beautiful building, like we have now in Dubai, we couldn't see the foundation, but the foundation was there. We can't see Bill, but we see the foundation that he has laid. I'm just overwhelmed. And anyone who doesn't believe that Onpassive is real is probably not breathing. Everything that you see, if you hear the thud, the deafening quiet on the internet, those are the people who didn't believe, and now silence is gold. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank
Appreciate it.
you, John.